Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Next, use thin object to pry apart keyboard. Now disconnect keyboard cable. Now unscrew and disconnect palm rest. Now unscrew and remove DVD drive. Unscrew, then remove access door. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew bottom base. Next, disconnect CMOS battery. Remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.